This is where things get interesting about gold. In this module, The Boons of Gold Investment, we will be covering the main reasons as to why you should invest in gold. The great merit of gold is precisely that it is scarce, that its quantity is limited by nature, that it is costly to discover, to mine, and to process, and that it cannot be created by political fiat or caprice. The above saying declares how gold is considered extremely valuable in the financial realm. Thus, research shows that there are three main reasons as to why you should invest in gold. The famous reason that transcends over time is that gold is against inflation. Economists inform us that inflation occurs when there's too much money being printed out to chase over very few goods. The increase of prices causes reduction in the value of money. Studies show that within the year of 1973 until 2009, the price of gold increased from $106.72 per ounce to $1,028.50 per ounce. That is a huge rise of 928%. Note how the value of gold is rising despite the fall of money. How is this happening? You see, money is capable of being printed out by the officials or governments. There is no hint of scarceness to it. This will cause a flood of liquidity into the financial standards. However, gold's physical properties can push a stronger price appreciation in times of inflation. This inevitably offsets the negative impact of a rise in Consumer Price Index or the CPI. Analysts are predicting that gold prices may double to around $2,000 per ounce should hyperinflation occur. When it happens, gold may be the only solution if you truly want to preserve your wealth. That is why gold is the true hedge against inflation.